Let us understand the step-by-step process of entering project details in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Project Details form under the Leads Management module. Select the project name. The drop-down will auto-populate from the ERP Admin Project Master once the project status is set to unlock. The project code, name of company, company code and project address will auto-populate based on the selected project name. Under the Property Information tab, select the unit of measurement. Enter the plot area, total construction area, CTS number, property tax number, RERA registration number and RERA registration date. You can also enter the brochure link and welcome message, if applicable. Check the website integration checkbox to link the project with your website. Click on Save and your data will be saved successfully. You can upload the information for use in the other master's form. The process of entering project details is now complete.